Promoting Forever Living products involves a mix of personal networking, educational content creation, and engaging with potential customers. Product knowledge. Educate yourself about the benefits and uses of Forever Living products. Understand their ingredients, health benefits, and how they can solve customers' problems. Personal recommendations. Share your personal experiences and testimonials with the products. Authentic stories and results can resonate with potential customers. Create valuable content. Develop informative content about health, wellness, beauty or fitness, topics aligned with Forever Living products. Share tips, how-to guides or educational posts on social media, blogs or YouTube. Utilize social media. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook or LinkedIn to showcase the products. Share engaging visuals, customer testimonials, and before and after images to attract attention. Host demonstrations or workshops. Organize events or online sessions demonstrating the product's usage, benefits, and application. Invite potential customers to participate and learn more about the products. Personal network engagement. Engage with your personal network, friends, family, colleagues, and offer product samples or demonstrations. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be powerful. Utilize company tools. Take advantage of the marketing materials provided by Forever Living, such as brochures, product catalogs, or videos. Use these materials in your promotions. Offer discounts or incentives. Provide special offers, discounts, or loyalty programs to encourage first-time purchases or repeat customers.